Module 2, Microprocessors and Microcontrollers. Introduction. The implementation of control logic requires many common and basic electronic circuits, units, and subsystems. The basic circuits, units, and subsystems are arithmetic unit, logic unit, temporary memory, input and output unit, serial to parallel conversion, and parallel to serial conversion unit, transceivers, and so on. A relatively small control application, for example, an automatic door system, can be realized using the logic gates. But for relatively bigger control applications, for example, robot control or engine control, the realization of control through discrete components invites complexity because a very large number of gates would be needed for the entire solution. Instead of designing the basic circuits by the use of available logic gates, if we could fabricate all these basic circuits within one cabinet at the manufacturing time, then probably the complexity involved in realizing the individual circuit as well as their interconnections could be resolved. Indeed, it has been done through the design of microprocessors and microcontrollers. Microprocessor and microcontroller is a digital device composed of millions of transistors on single semiconductor piece. It is called a very large scale integrated chip, that is VLSI, that represent the heart of all kind of control applications. The microprocessor and microcontroller based control solution facilitates higher integration, providing incredible performance. They take less space, also they consume low power. System using microprocessor has three part. That is first one, central processing unit to recognize and carry out program instructions. That is CPU, central processing unit. Second one, input and output interface to handle communication between the microprocessor and the outside world. And the third one, memory to store the program instructions and data. There are many types of microprocessors available from many manufacturers and have been designed for various applications. Intel 4004 is a 4-bit microprocessor which is considered as the world's first commercial microprocessor. The basic circuits within 4004 microprocessor contained approximately 2300 transistors. However, presently the microprocessor is considered as the most complex semiconductor product ever with more than 5 million transistors within it performing incredible functions. The microprocessor are specified by a number of bits it can handle for data processing and the speed of operation. Applications of microprocessors include actuator control system, speed, velocity, acceleration control of electric motor, fluid power actuators, etc. Control system for home appliances like microwave oven, washing machine, refrigerator, heating system, AC, that is air conditioner, and so on. Control systems for computer peripherals, that is disk drives, printers, keyboard, modem, etc. Automobile control system, engine control, automatic locking system, monitoring system, and so on. Traffic control system, road, air, and ocean traffic, navigation, etc. Machine control systems, robotics, mobile robotics, crane, autonomous guided vehicle, AGV, etc. Then in production lines, assembly lines, packaging system, bottling plants, etc. Thank you.